Bitwarden collections gather together logins, notes, cards, and identities for secure sharing for an organization. This feature simplifies the sharing of items between organization members. Although collections and organizations must be managed from your web vault, it is possible and quite easy to add vault items to those collections from the desktop and mobile apps. There is, however, a trick to it, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Do remember, organizations are available in all Bitwarden plans, including the individual free plan, which offers a two-person organization. If you need to share vault items with more people, you'll want to have either a families or team subscription. You'll also need to have a collection created, which is done via your Bitwarden web vault. Once you've taken care of those things, let's take a look at how to add a vault item to a collection. To add a vault item to a collection, you must first select the collection at the bottom of the left sidebar. Once you've selected the collection, click plus to create the new vault item. In the resulting window, make sure the organization is selected under ownership and then select the checkbox associated with the collection for which the item is to be added. Once you've done that, fill out the rest of the vault item as needed and click the Save icon. When you've finished adding the item, anyone with access will then be able to either view or view and edit it depending on the permissions the Bitwarden admin has given to them. And that's all there is to adding a vault item to a Bitwarden collection.